Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So what I like to do is show you what is it you kind of need to know to be able to condense logarithmic equations. So to condense logarithmic equations, let me just see here. Yeah, we're good. To condense logarithmic equations, it's not actually necessary, but I think it's very, very helpful for you when getting into logarithms is to have an understanding of the properties of exponents, because the properties of exponents are related to the properties of logarithms. And a lot of times when students are working through condensing problems, they might get stuck. They forget the properties. So if you understand the properties of exponents, that can help you relate to what exactly the property is going to be for logarithms. So it's not really necessary, but I added in there because I think it's very, very helpful for you to make sure you know. The next thing is the properties of logarithms. Obviously, when we want to know the product, the quotient, and the power rule of properties of logarithms, but it's also very important to know the first two properties of logarithms that we discussed in there, where we can evaluate, right? Because a lot of times, even though we're condensing a logarithm, sometimes we might be able to even simplify it further by using some of those properties of logarithms. The last thing is the order of operations. It's very, very important when condensing to follow these order of operations as you're working through them, where we want to focus in on the parentheses, working with the powers first, and then working with addition and subtraction to combine them up together. Because there's really we can't really do anything with multiplication and division, but working from combining your powers first and then working within your multiplication or addition and subtraction. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Those are just kind of some simple steps that what you need to know to be able to condense logarithmic expressions. Thanks.